General tab. In Percent POS, the General tab is where you enter your store's basic business information. This data shows up on receipts and reports, so it's important to keep it accurate and up to date. Start by entering your business name in the name field. Next is store number. This is usually set to 1 by default, unless you're managing multiple locations. Add your phone number. This is what customers will see on printed receipts, making it easy for them to contact you. Now enter your address details. Start with the street, then fill in your city, state, and zip code. Double-check everything for accuracy. These fields not only personalize your receipts, but also support store-level reporting across the system. Once complete, hit Save. And that's it. Your store's identity is now set in Percent POS.